just going to, I'm here, I'm going to play, not creative housing, Sky Wars, Cake Wars, Speed Loaders,
I just whipped it round.
Lock
So
Hunt.
I've got to sort her out, but I just want to let you know, innit? Yeah? You know what it is? You still have a look at that top.
What? Team Hiders. 5 and 5 out of 5 too. Oh. You are now first look.
Hey, is that what you're playing?
I'm playing hide and seek now.
Oh, that's my. I think that's one of my favourites.
I'm just running away. I'm going to speed axe. I'm going to hide somewhere. Suit hunters upgrades axe. Okay. Hide. I want to become you. You cannot move.
That's somebody. Does that mean they didn't see you, or are they on your team?
They didn't see me.
Oh, you're so lucky. Like, why don't you just go and hide next to that block over there, because they're grey blocks.
If I shoot them, my axe gets upgraded.
He spotted you.
No, he hasn't.
He's definitely spotted you now.
Speed axe! It speeds me up.
Oh yeah. And then you could just hide near that grey stone or somewhere. So he's looking everywhere for you. This is a great game. Hey Zach, your sister was sick.
Hi. Speed axe! Woo! They're hiding down here. Ooh! Oh, I'd have to be hunter. I'm in the hunter's base. What? No. Oh. My axe really needs upgraded. I think. Come on. Dun dun dun, super accident. Dun dun dun, super axe. Super axe. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. Super X. I'm just gonna keep on shooting people. I've got Ultra Axe. What is this? Oh, come on. I've got 2 minutes until I get I can let die. I can now use axe boost. Ah, no. Click them. No! Wow, they can't see me. Use ultra axe. Oh no. I can now use axe boost. Now. Now. I'm running. I'm just running. Literally 5 hunters and 8 hiders. 8 hiders. And there are only 40 seconds left. I want to upgrade to not. Hello. Hyperaxe! What is hyperaxe? Oh, oh my. Hyperaxe is just crazy. And all of these axes. I need. There's only one more axe to suit up to. I won! Hello. Anyway. Let's play again. I'm definitely a hider. I'm for a hider. No one's a hunter, which really is weird. Who's the hunter? I'm the hider. Who's the hunter? You now are a cake block. You cannot morph. You are now a TNT. I'm gonna be here. Okay, I've got my axe. Oh. Already 4 hunters. 4! No! Oh, how am I killed by water? Well, I killed someone. Another guy quit. Where are you? Stop killing me. Ah, wow. 9 hunters. So I know. Ooh. What the? you? I'm just shooting over there. Oh yeah, I forgot I had a bow. Can I shoot you? Oh. Well. Ring! I am running forever. There are more cakes. 3 hiders, I killed one. I killed 2 people. All 10 hunters, 3 hiders. There's got to be somebody. Who is this? Oh, no, TNT. I can't see. I would hide if I was. I didn't have time much. I would hide there. What do you want, Starer? I'm going this way. Let's see what's in the centre, because everyone forgets about this. It's not easy if you start as a cake. Okay, these animals aren't. It could just simply be a grass. Oh. Okay, I'm just giving up. Really? Hey, look, there's an explosion. The game. No. What is it? How? I guess they've got a wooden axe. Some people are quitting, both hunters. But we've only got 20 seconds on the clock. How does time go this slow? I know it wouldn't be a pumpkin. Wait, I killed the TNT. 3, 2.
Hey, Starla. Daddy. Acting thick.
I'll be a hider then. Anyway, I'm a hider. Everyone's queuing. Hey look, join. Just everyone join. Can change form unlimited times.
Yeah, it goes in, but every time she eats it, it's later.
I just bring it up to move Oh! Okay. I need to find a place to hide. I hide somewhere not obvious. Anyway, I need to shoot 4 hunters! There you are. Hello. on. Oh. I got killed, but I just got stabbed in the back. It's him. Hey.
Is that the person?
Yeah.
Are they disguised as a duck?
Chicken.
Oh, look at him run! Look at him run!
I died.
Did he shoot you instead?
No, someone else shot me. So that means I just go back to the start and I've got to, and I gotta find the chicken again. Here he comes. Chase the chicken.
He's really hard to get.
Yeah, he's a chicken.
He's definitely running away so fast. Why are you coming fast? Yeah, he's throwing arrows at you. It's
No,
him.
someone else.
No, it's
Someone
him.
else. Oh yeah, it's him.
It's him because he's in chicken form, but he's still he's hiding. That's
Wait, you
why.
can. I didn't never knew you could be different like forms like that. He's hiding with his fellows.
Ah, what's going on?
Someone killed me with just some hyper stuff. Another chicken.
It's the
It's just chicken one.
It's the chicken wars instead of the emu wars.
Come on, I'm moving up the chicken.
Oh, it's that. If you touch it, you get electrocuted or something.
Hyper Mikado. That's just crazy.
What's Hyper Mikado?
Where was it? Oh! That's just funny. Come on, just let us kill the chicken. He's doing it again. I hit it! I hit it! Oh! Oh my god! It's just the chicken wars. It's the chicken wars. Look at him go. Right, this time I escaped. Mr. Chicken. Mr. Chicken. It's just Mr. Chicken. It's you, Mr. Chicken. There he is! Oh, I'm shooting him. Yes! The meat from Mr. Chicken! Chicken. Oh no! What are you doing? You are literally ruining the game. We're chickening everyone. I'm turning into a chicken. That's all I can say. Next time I'm turning into a chicken. Oh my! Guess what? No, I'm just gonna make this 2-in-1. I'm becoming a chicken. I'm being a chicken. I want to be a swapper hider. Any form. That means I can be. Oh, that's why he was the Mr. Chicken. That's just crazy. I want a chicken. I want to find chicken. Really, I cannot morph into this block. What? 300. Well, chicken didn't work, but oh, sorry, I just changed him to Goldman, which he just hits them. Hi, the chickens! Oh, yes, I killed him! I killed Mr. Hacker Chicken. He literally just did hit. I killed Hacker Chicken.